Hi guys, it's Jay here back with another video. But if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. Thank you for coming. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're not new and you're coming back, hello again. Thank you so much for returning. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I get ready for my week. I'm going to do my brows, my lashes, my hair, and my nails. Because y'all seem to really like the last video. So I think y'all will like this. And thank you guys for the suggestions on Instagram. But I'm going to be doing a voiceover today. I know it's something a little different, but I feel like it's going to be better. I'm going to be putting up timestamps on the video, so when I'm doing my nails, I'm going to have a timestamp, eyebrows, all that stuff, so you guys can skip through to whatever parts you guys would like to watch. Guys, so for my brows, I like to use this moisturizer. I use it so the blade can glide over my eyebrows when I'm trimming them and not cut my skin. This is my vanity mirror that I used on Instagram for pictures and for my videos. I got it for Christmas and it's from Marshalls. I think it's $30. I'm gonna put the link in the description for you guys. If you guys are using a new blade out the package, it might be sharp, so make sure you're very careful and you put enough lotion or moisturizer. I don't recommend lotion because it might break out your skin if you have sensitive skin. You guys might have to go over several times just to make sure you get all the hairs, but don't do it too rough. Just go as many times as you need to, making sure you're not cutting up your skin. I think I want to learn how to wax my eyebrows, y'all, because I actually pulls the hair out of the root. So it's going to take a longer time to grow back, and plus sometimes it looks cleaner and it's a little faster, so I might invest in that from Amazon. I'm going to be doing my eyebrow tinting. Right now I'm using a temporary tattoo paste. It's from Hobby Lobby. It's called Juga. I'm going to be putting it in the description. I'm going to also insert a picture of what it looks like, what the box looks like. It's very simple to use. It comes with a black henna powder. You mix it with equal part water and eucalyptus oil. You mix it and it lasts for 2 months. You just apply it, spread it out on your brow area or wherever you want the tinting or temporary tattoo at. It's natural, it's clean, it's easy, and it doesn't break out your skin. It usually develops after 24 hours. Sometimes it develops faster depending on the pigmentation of your skin. I have a funny story about this, y'all. So when I first used this, I didn't understand that it takes 24 hours to develop, so I made a whole headed tattoo on my hand and I didn't see it, so I was like, oh, this doesn't work. I tried it again to make sure because I didn't know that it takes 24 hours to develop, so I did another one right over it and I watched it and I was like, this don't work. And the next video I woke up and it looked so bad because I put one over the other one and I didn't understand like that you were gonna be able to see it. And it was on my hair for 2 weeks, even during a job interview. So don't do what I did, y'all, cause you want to make sure you're getting the front of your brows as well, just not the body of your eyebrows.
Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Once you guys are done applying it, leave it on for 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to be doing my lash extensions. I got my glue from my beauty supply store. It's called IMV, and I'm using tweezers from Kiss from the lash extension kit that they have. I cut up my lashes. I use a regular strip lash. It kind of looks like individuals, but I like cutting it into chunks to whatever size I want. I just put the glue on it as normal as you would do with any other lash extensions, and I just stick it underneath my eyelid. You want to be sure to be careful while doing this. Make sure it's on your lash line, not your actual waterline on the bottom of your eyelid. It burns really, really, really bad, y'all. Just make sure you're being very careful because the glue is very strong. It might take a couple tries. You just gotta make sure you're angling your tweezers correctly, and then once it's on there, just push it down with your fingers. Once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. This part only took me about 5 minutes, I would say. So don't give up, guys. Next, we're gonna be doing my nails. I got these nails from Marshalls as well for $3.99 on sale. They're glue-on nails. I'm gonna be using these until I get my nails done in my next video. Places like Marshalls and TJ Maxx, as well as Target and Walmart, are really good places to buy real-looking press-ons. They're very cute. They come in a variety of designs to fit your aesthetic or your outfit or whatever event you want to go to. So I highly recommend, and I'll put some nails down in the description. If you guys are interested, you guys can go check it out and see what nails you like best for you. As with regular nails, you want to make sure you're prepping, filing, buffing, and pushing down your cuticles because preparation is going to make it last just like it would for any other type of nails. I also recommend washing your hands or using alcohol to dry out your nails and the oils in your nails just so the nails stick on better and the filing process is way easier. Once you guys are done filing your nails, make sure to wash your hands again just to get all the dust off so you can start the process. Here, I'm using a cotton swab and purified water to wipe all the dust off of my nail beds from filing so I can start the application process. We got a dance break because your girl gotta have fun. Y'all. Alright, y'all, we're back with the gluing process. I used this glue before and I actually couldn't get it open because it was stuck with the cap. So I had to break it sideways with my hand. But we have the first hand done. As you can see, they look like just like I got it done. And I really love the color variety of these nails. After I was done sizing and gluing them, as you can see, I finished my full hand. I'm doing my little celebration dance because it took a little while. Now that my nails and my lashes are done, I'm going to be removing the juga from my eyebrows with some water and a cotton swab, just like I did my nail beds. It comes off pretty easily. Just make sure you scrub hard enough, not too hard so it doesn't irritate your skin. And rub in a circular motion. It might help if it's really stuck to your brow. As y'all can see, it takes a couple rubs to get it off completely, but eventually it will come off. You can kind of see the tint even though 24 hours hasn't passed, obviously, but it looks really good already. I'm just making sure that my lashes are intact and in the right position for you guys. First time eyelash extension user, I recommend putting a mirror underneath you in your lap. Just make sure it's placed underneath your chin. Look down while you do your lashes because you get a better view of your top eyelid in order to put the lashes in the correct place. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Today I'm going to be doing my most highly requested video, a vlog.